Nuclear waste is dangerous because some of it can remain hazardous longer than entire civilizations have existed. What makes it dangerous is radioactivity. Inside nuclear waste are unstable atoms that slowly break apart, releasing energy that can damage cells and DNA. This radiation doesn't stop quickly. It fades over time, but on clocks far longer than human history. That slowdown is called half-life, the time it takes for half of a radioactive material to decay. Some materials lose danger fast, others remain risky for thousands of years. That's the surprising time. Nuclear waste also produces heat, even after reactors shut down. It must be cooled, shielded, and sealed inside thick steel and concrete. Eventually, it's stored deep underground, relying on layers of engineered barriers and stable rock. The hardest challenge is time. We must protect people who don't exist yet, who may not understand our warnings. Nuclear waste is dangerous because it forces humans to solve a problem not just for today, but for the future. So how do you warn 10,000 years?